Hein, Sunny? So, Sunny sait pas, mais il va avoir une petite sœur bientôt. Ou une girlfriend. So, Katie vient juste d'arriver avec le chien. So, Katie's coming with the puppy. Sunny New's girlfriend. Sunny is just as excited as he usually is, waiting for mommy. Little did he know, he's getting a girlfriend. Or a sister. So let's stay calm and see what happened. What is that, Sunny? What is that?
She's like, holy shit, that wasn't my mom.
What is that, Sunny boy?
She's ready to eat it.
Huh? What is that?
That? Sniff for a second. Sniff everybody out.
Ooh, Sunny! Sunny got a sister.
Yay. Sunny, who's that little baby?
What's that? Hello, puppy.
Who is that?
Hey, Sunny. What's that, boy? Is that your sister, boy?
Who's that little puppy? Hello, little sweetie. Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
That's Sunny.
Our little tails, baby.
Yeah.
Who is that?
Here.
Who's that little baby?
Hey, how you doing?
Let her
Hi.
first so she doesn't get scared.
How you doing? Ooh, hey, Sunny. What's that?
It squeak like a mouse.
What is that, Sunny?
She squeaks like a squeaky toy.
Oh, she comes, see,
Like her
Papa.
little tail.
Here.
Who is that, son?
You're filming right now. You get it on video.
I personally don't have it on video now.